Okay, this time I will install and review a Realtruck Gator hard trifold cover. I ordered this cover off of Amazon. That's how it was delivered, and I chose it because it's made in the USA. Let's get this thing unboxed. If you own a Tundra, you know the options for hard trifold covers are kind of limited. I had almost ordered another brand, but they want $130 for shipping, and Amazon's free shipping. Okay, we'll start on the truck. If your Tundra uses a cargo management system, you'll slide these special nuts into the rails. We'll remove the end cap from the rail. Then we'll slide 3 nuts into each rail. Reinstall the end cap. Then we'll open up the brackets that hold the rails in place. Then we'll unbox the rails. They are labeled left and right. If you have the cargo management system, you'll separate the clamp halves. Instructions will tell you which half of the clamp to use and insert in the rails. Since you're only using half of that clamp, you'll use these shorter stainless bolts that are supplied. We'll go ahead and get the rail installed. You'll want to make sure to get it aligned correctly so the tailgate doesn't hit it when it shuts. Rails installed, now we'll hook up the drain tubes. I called for a 5/8 drill bit, but I didn't have one that big, I just had the stepper drill bit. It's hard to see in the video, but there's a nipple on the rail that you'll push the tube onto. You'll drill a hole in the plug in the front of the bed, but be careful not to drill too far and go into the cab. But this is for your drain tube to slide into. Now it's time to set the cover on and put it in place. I unfolded it so I can get everything lined up. time to clamp the cover down, I found that the cover only goes so far forward before the front clamps hit the drains. Both the center and rear sections have latches. And here's how it looks installed. When you pull in the cable, it retracts the latches. When the cover is folded up, there's clips to hold it down. Just to see how well it kept water out, it ran through a car wash. So the car wash may have been kind of an unfair test, but I found that even in heavy rains, it leaks a bit. All in all, though, I'm pretty happy with the cover so far. Say the cover looks pretty good. It keeps everything locked up and safe inside. Don't have to worry about things getting stolen out of the back or blowing out of the back. So it's pretty useful. It leaks more than I care for, but other than that, it's a pretty nice cover, and I'd recommend it. Messing with the cameras made it take longer, but it took me about 2 hours to install. The only reason I made this video is I couldn't find any pictures or videos showing what they look like installed. So I was hoping this video would help others out and make an informed decision.